Hello everyone and welcome to another video where we're going to be looking at using Microsoft Publisher 2010 in order to create this internet safety poster. So then, what we're going to be looking at in this video is images. Now, a lot of people get into the habit of copying and pasting the images from the internet, like we talked about in a previous video. And then just maybe trying to drag them down to about the same size, but sometimes the shapes are different, so sometimes the images are more rectangular than they are square, and getting them to be the right size then causes stretching and distortion to the image. So it's important that we can use this skill of actually putting an image into a shape. Now, just to warn you beforehand, this doesn't work with every single shape all that well. Squares and circles are fine because most of the image just appears in here. But if you were to use a star shape or a shape, just an odd type of shape, like there's a lightning bolt if we have a look in here, like there, and the heart, it would actually crop. Let's imagine this was a heart in this image here. It would actually crop a lot of this out here. And again, for things like stars, where the angles are quite tight up here, that cuts off a lot of the image as well. So it's good to use just pretty standard shapes. So I'm going to go into my working document, and I'm going to insert a shape. And in this case, I'm going to insert a rounded square or rounded rectangle. And now I'm going to hold Shift while I do this to make sure that it keeps the proportions the same, so it's an exact square. Then, when I double click it, I get my format options, and one of the shape fill options is picture. I can then choose a picture, so I'm going to go to my removable disk, or actually I'll go to pupil shade, ICT where I've kept all the images, and year 7, internet safety images, poster images, and I'm going to choose the iPad image here. And as you can see there, it's put it in there really, really nicely. And what I can do now is format the outline to be how I want, which is purple or violet as it were. Then I'm going to change the thickness to 6. And I can then resize it as I want to. But the way that this works so well is that it's really quick. So what I can do now is I can copy and paste, paste, paste. And what I've got now is 4 identical sizes with all of the borders already complete. All I've got to do then is double click on the next one, shape fill, picture, and choose the mobile phone. So I go through those again, double click, shape fill, picture, and choose the image that I want. And you can see how quick this is, and also that it's really, really effective because these are all the same size now. Yes, I'm going to have to actually try and put these into some sort of order where they line up correctly. But you can see that that's actually now done that really, really quickly and really effectively. So inserting images into shapes is really, really effective and saves you a lot of time.